I am participating in a Gifted, Thrifted, and D's Tablescape 2020. It is hosted by Shangie, Living Life to the Fullest, co-host Robin at It's Just Me Robin, and Tammy at Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Well, this tablescape, you are to use a gifted or thrifted item, any Dollar Tree item, and a DIY. You use your decor theme and color, and you must have at least one of each mandatory item. The rules of this tablescape: you must be subscribed to all the host and co-host channel. Mention the host and co-host in your playlist, in your video. Include host channel links and a playlist link in your description box. Title your video Gifted, Thrifted, and D's Tablescape. Use the hashtag Gifted, Thrifted, DIY, and Dollar Tree. Upload your video June 19th by 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Add your video to the playlist and have some thrifted, gifted, and DIY fun. Let's get into this table. My thrifted items are my glasses. They are from Goodwill. My placemat is from the Goodwill. My tea light inside of this holder is a Goodwill find. This base is a Goodwill find. And also rose gold painted flowers are a Goodwill find. Now let's get into my gifted item. This tea light holder is 4 of them on each corner of the box. Those are a gifted item from my sister. And also the tea light in each of these are a thrifted item. Alright, now we went over the gifted items, the thrifted items. Now the Dollar Tree items. My Dollar Tree item is the napkin ring, the plates. These are the Dollar Tree plastic plates and saucer. And also the silverware is from the Dollar Tree. And also these white picks, floral picks right here are from the Dollar. And this tea light candle holder is from the Dollar Tree. Also, this sign is from the Dollar Tree. the Dollar Tree items. Now we're going to get into the DIY. Now my nectarines, they are DIY. I hot glued the bling wrap onto the Dollar Tree nectarine. Also, this tea light holder, I painted it rose gold, and then I Mod Podge iridescent glitter on it. Also, this Goodwill vase is a DIY. I painted it rose gold, the bling wrap, and the iridescent glitter. Did a slight DIY on here by adding on the Totally Dazzled brooches. And the last and final DIY is the flowers that I painted rose gold and sprinkled some of the iridescent glitter on it. So this is my gifted, thrifted Tablescape 2020. I hope that you enjoy. Please go over to Shangie, living my life to the fullest. Tammy, me, myself, and DIYing it. And also Robin, it's just me, Robin. Please go over to these ladies' channels and check them out. They have awesome content. They create beautiful tablescapes and much, much more. I will have the playlist and the link down below to all of the other participants' video as well as the host. Again, I thank you all for stopping by and checking out my video. I hope and pray that you have an awesome and amazing day.